Amber Heard's attorney has revealed some disturbing details about Johnny Depp during the defamation trial. The allegations come amid Depp's $50 million lawsuit against his ex-wife, which is centered around the 2018 Washington Post op-ed that Amber wrote. In that article, she claimed to have become a public figure representing victims of domestic attacks. As for Johnny Depp, his attorneys have accused Amber of crafting this entire scenario from the very beginning. They said that this has all been an elaborate hoax, with the clear implication that Depp was the one who had attacked her. If you recall, in 2020, the Pirates of the Caribbean star had lost his libel case against the Sun newspaper because the judge ruled that all the claims the publication made based on Amber's article were substantially true. In their opening statement, Depp's attorney said, "Ultimately, this trial is about clearing Johnny Depp's name of a terrible and false allegation, and try they will." The case began in Virginia this week, and during more of those opening statements, Depp's legal team accused Amber of physically attacking Johnny to the point where he would have to lock himself in the bathroom just to get away from her. On the flip side of things, Amber alleged for the first time publicly that Depp had committed SA. She claimed that this took place on a number of occasions when Depp was high and drunk. Elaine Bredhoff, Heard's attorney, also exposed more disturbing details of an alleged incident where the couple threw punches at one another after Amber confronted Johnny about him cheating. Elaine then said to the court, "She loved the side of Johnny that we see in the movies, the charismatic one, the charming one, the generous one. That's the man she fell in love with. But sadly, the monster came in the way, and that monster would come out when he was drinking and when he would take the drugs." On top of that, we learned that whenever the pair traveled together, Johnny would always get another hotel room booked for himself. That way he would have somewhere else to go whenever Amber became enraged. Throughout this trial, Amber's attorney was constantly trying to dismiss the notion that Depp was innocent in the couple's disputes. To do so, she brought up an incident where Depp had allegedly grabbed Amber by the hair, dragged her up the stairs, and then hit her, which according to Amber's attorney was the result of Depp being in a 3-day blackout in Australia. Lawyers for Depp, though, countered and told the jury that Johnny will go to his grave knowing that whatever he does, there will always be people who believed he abused the woman, and that Heard took on the role of a lifetime and couldn't back down. Depp's attorney Benjamin Chu also added, "For nearly 30 years, Mr. Depp built a reputation as one of the most talented actors in Hollywood, a respected artist whose name was associated with success at the box office. Today, his name is associated with a lie, a false statement uttered by his former wife." And before the trial started, a spokesperson for Johnny also told BuzzFeed News that this lawsuit follows a pattern of Amber's elaborate, erroneous claims that have continued to change and evolve over time for the purpose of Hollywood shock value, something they claimed Amber has become a master of and used to exploit an otherwise serious social movement. I'd love to hear your thoughts on all this though, because that's all the time that we have for today. So stay classy, and I'll see you on the next one.